Hi there, and welcome to this brand new video. In one of our previous videos, we used the Display Object node to display an object directly on our page. In this video, we'll take a much closer look at how this node works. So, as its name suggests, the Display Object node allows us to display the content of an object on the open web page. It complements the Display Markdown node, which lets us display text or markdown directly in a pop-up. Now, let's see how to use it. We'll reuse one of the edit fields from the previous video and automatically link it to a display object. Next, let's go to its settings by double-clicking on it. It asks for a single attribute, the title, which will be displayed in the pop-up header. But this is not required. So if we run the node, the object we created in the previous video will automatically appear. And you can see that it reuses the JSON viewer found in the output section, but this time directly on the open web page. I'm going to reopen the extension in the sidebar. Unfortunately, since we forgot to save, all our previous changes are gone. And that's it. In short, it's a very simple, intuitive, and easy-to-use node that makes it easy to display the contents of an object on a page. It requires almost no configuration. All it does is, when you connect it to a node, it simply displays that node's response on the page. So that's it for this video. Feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.